This is Eliel from Team Bits. I Eliel and Gladys gave a presentation on our project work, and this is how the platform looks like. So this is the dashboard. It gives a quick review of the student analytics. So we have active books, and then we have quizzes passed, study hours, and then the mastery of the mastery score. So here you can see that we have recent learning activities over here just to show your recent activities on the app. And over here we have the smart tutor where you come here to actually put your thoughts together, like kind of try and gather your thoughts, and then finally you can come to the meta prompter, and then you can copy and paste from the smart tutor into the meta prompter and then generate a question. So a student can use this, a teacher can also use this. So for this part of the app, we have some configurations here that you can actually implement. You have autocorrect prompts and then the target language, since language barrier is actually a problem. So it has the ability to also transcribe into English or into a format that the AI can actually understand exactly what the user wants and then bring out an output. And also over here we have the simplicity mode where we have beginner mode, intermediate mode, and advanced mode. So for example, you can upload a PDF of what you actually want to learn or study, and then it has two modes. So we have the original PDF frame where you actually see the original PDF view, and then we have the accessible reader view where you can actually highlight in case you don't understand something, you need extra details. So I can highlight this part, and then it gives me the option to summarize or to create a quiz or to give an example. So you can actually create a quiz straight from this part of the page. So if I should click on give examples, it quickly inserts it into the chat section. And um, at the moment we are using a local AI model, so it takes some time, unlike the API where it actually fetches response quickly. So this is actually going to take some time. And over here too, it gives you a suggestion to explain the main concept in simple terms or create state quizzes based on this. And um, during the time where we're actually going through the slides to share on the platform, we realize that some accessibility tools like speech to text and then image to text would actually help. So we implemented it here where you can actually add a voice input, or you can upload an image and then it would convert it into a text for the platform to understand it and give you an output. So over here we also have the meta prompter where you can dictate or you can scan an image. In case you have everything put together already, you just go straight to the point. So for example, let's say a solar system, this is just a short text, and it has the ability to take actually a chunk of um, text, whether organized or unorganized, and pick the right words from it. So it selects the right term from it and then helps you to generate the right quiz you want. The formatting type, there are other format types, but then we chose to go with the two because of the time frame and the difficulty we have: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So let's just go with anything here. And then the target audience: primary school, adult learners, students with dyslexia or non-native speakers, and then the number of questions you want, for example 5, and then you click on generate quiz. As I was saying earlier, it's actually going to take some time, but it works perfectly. And we have the student analytics tab where you get to see your performance and how you are doing as a student, and then collaboration where you get to share with your friends and then um, interact over there. You can actually chat. So this is how it looks like. You can create a new collaboration, and then the student analytics, this is how it looks like. And also this has the ability to allow you to export and share in the form of an iframe, a link, and